makakarating ang 375 pesos mo. Hello foodie friends! Tara, samahan niyo ako sa TGI Fridays dito sa One Ayala Mall, Makati at titikman natin ang kanilang all yours all day meal. Yes, you heard it right. For as low as 375 pesos, meron ka ng 1 appetizer, 1 entree, and 1 drink. At meron ka ring free nachos na refillable pa. O, diba? San ka pa? And take note, there's no service charge. Pero syempre, hindi lang dapat mura. Dapat masarap din. So tara, husgahan natin. For the appetizer, we ordered the Caesar salad and the truffle potato crisp. Oh, by the way, upon tasting, so this is potato crisp with truffle sauce. And the Caesar salad, nakakatuwa dahil napakalaki ng serving. For the entrees, we ordered 2 kinds. So first, ang kanilang bestseller na 6-spice chicken na may kasamang sides, the vegetables, and sunny side up egg. Next is the smoked fish. At alam nyo ba na lahat ng in-order namin ito ay under 1,000 pesos lang? O, diba? San ka pa? Napakasulit. Kaya kung ako naman sa inyo, visit your dearest TGI Fridays now and try this too!